You're welcome to today's video on best AI copywriting tools. The first copywriting tool I'll be talking about is ChatGPT. ChatGPT is the most popular writing tool. It can help you create content for your emails, your product descriptions, and others. All you need to do is use the appropriate prompt and you're good to go. This is how ChatGPT looks like. The second copywriting tool is called Jasper AI. Jasper AI can also generate a vast range of copies for businesses, social media posts, email templates, and even blogs. The third tool is called copy.ai. You can sign up and start using it. The thing with copy.ai is that it can help you write blog content. It can also help you generate ad copies. You can also generate social media posts and you can do more with it. The next tool I'll be talking about is Notion AI. Notion AI is one of the most popular productivity and collaboration platforms that you can use to do almost anything. So I would encourage you to use Notion, see how it helps you in writing your ad copies, social media posts, and others. The last copywriting tool I'll be talking about is Only Writer AI by Hootsuite. It makes posting on social media quick and easy, and it also helps you to instantly generate captions and ideas. You can also try that out and see how it works for you. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to comment your thoughts, like this video, and share as well.